In this video, we will look at all the plans offered by SEOWriting.AI, which is an amazing AI tool that can help you in writing SEO optimized content for your website or blog. We will try to decode which SEO writing plan is best suited for your needs and also see how you can get the maximum possible discount. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. First, we have the free plan. If you are just starting out, the free plan is a good place to dip your toes. You get to create up to 5 articles with a total of 10,000 words. It even includes tools like Humanizer, which helps you make your AI content sound more natural, and the ability to rewrite up to 5 articles. You also get top quality AI generated images, automatic citations, and the option to connect your content to the web. It's simple, but for a free plan, it's pretty impressive. Then we have the starter plan, which is priced at $19 per month. If you are looking to really step up your content game, the starter plan gives you much more to work with. You can create up to 50 articles with unlimited words, so no worrying about hitting a cap on your content creation. You still get all the features of the free plan, and now you can rewrite up to 100 articles with the help of the Humanizer tool, making it great for updating or repurposing old content. One of the coolest features in the starter plan is bulk generation. This lets you generate multiple pieces of content at once, which can save a ton of time if you are producing articles at scale. Plus, you are upgraded to GPT-4o and Claude 3 Opus, which means you are getting access to the latest and most powerful AI models for content generation. You also get a handy outline editor to structure your articles more easily and direct WordPress integration, so you can publish your content directly to your WordPress website without any extra steps. After this, we have the professional plan priced at $79 per month. For serious content creators or businesses, the professional plan is where things get really powerful. At $79 a month, you can unlock 250 generations, which is a massive boost if you are managing multiple blogs, working with clients, or running a content-heavy operation. You also get unlimited rewrites, so whether you are optimizing old articles or making quick changes, there is no limit for the rewrites. This plan introduces some very valuable features like external and internal linking. If SEO is your priority, these tools can be a game changer for improving your site structure and rankings. The Humanizer tool is upgraded and more advanced here, helping you craft even more natural sounding AI content. Another important thing to know here is you can increase the total number of article generations in this plan, and the price gets adjusted accordingly. In this plan, we also have the promise of upcoming features like brand voice and an API, which can be essential if you are planning to integrate this tool into more complex workflows or maintain a consistent tone across your content. The free plan is ideal if you are just testing the waters or only need occasional articles. It's basic but useful for small projects. If you are a blogger or a small business looking to produce regular content, the starter plan is probably your best bet. For $19 a month, you get much more flexibility, better AI, and a solid set of tools to streamline your workflow. The professional plan is perfect for agencies, large content teams, or anyone managing multiple websites. With the additional SEO tools, external and internal linking, and the future API brand voice features, this plan is built for those who need top-tier scalable content creation with all the necessary help. Now that we have talked about all these features, let us see how we can get the maximum discount on these plans. To get the discount, click on the first link given in this video's description, log into your account, and go to the pricing page. First of all, if you select yearly here, the prices get reduced by 25% and we can still get even more discount. Select any plan of your choice and click upgrade now. You will be redirected to the payment page. Here, you will find the option to enter the coupon code on the left side. Enter the code AI tips and click apply. You will get a 25% discount, and we already received a 25% discount by choosing the yearly plan, which makes it an almost 50% discount. This is the maximum possible discount available in SEOWriting.AI. You can now enter the remaining details on the right and complete your payment. If you want to know how to use SEOWriting.AI to generate SEO optimized content, you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in a new video.